Hey guys, today we're making vegan mac and cheese.
Yep, we're ready. I got a few ingredients here to show. We're going to be using elbow noodles, vegan nutritional yeast, lemon juice, butter. I have 1/4 cup of the cashews. I've done a hour soak. I did a 1 hour soak in hot water since I didn't want to do this overnight, just to soften them up. These are raw organic cashews. We're going to start. I also have 1 quart of hot water going to boil this pasta. This is going to have 2 cups of uncooked pasta. I'm going to dump this into my hot water. Add a little dash of salt to the pasta water. We're gonna let that boil for 10 minutes or so, I guess. So I'm gonna take my cashews, just to show you. They're nice and soft now. 1/4 cup, but now they're very puffy after soaking. Open the blender. You can add all these ingredients to the blender. So to the blender we have the 1/4 cup of soaked cashews, one-third cup nutritional yeast, 1 cup of water.
And we kind of spread on the blender.
You can use any nut milk if you like, but it should be unsweetened if you're going to use milk, but it's just great with water as well.
And the water is yellow because of the yeast.
1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika.
That's if you want the little orangey color. If you don't want the color, you don't have to add it. Or if you want to use carrots to turn it a little orange, you can boil some carrots and add carrots in it.
Go on!
More veggies. One tablespoon of lemon juice. And we're gonna blend this till it's nice and creamy. Starting on low.
Whoa, it's smoking. Is it good?
Yum. Yeah.
Probably salty at first.
Try it.
Yes, please.
This is your sauce.
Mmm.
Check it for any lumps or if it's salty enough for you. Very good. That's how our sauce looks in there. So we'll be back when the pasta's ready in a few minutes to mix it all together and show you how it comes out. Okay, we're back. Pasta is boiled. little butter, about a tablespoon. Pour all of this yummy sauce in there.
That was loud.
Give it a good stir, Bella.
Alright. Smells yummy.
Look at that.
That smells really good.
If you also want to put it back on the stove and just kind of cook it and blend it a little bit together, that's normally what I do, but it's ready to eat at this stage as well. I'm just gonna dump it right back. Just gonna dump it right back into the pasta pan I boiled in. Come in for a close-up here. I have a pot of fresh black beans going. That'll be a different video. Yum. Okay. Here's the mac and cheese.
Yum.
Turn that off. So it's just a quick little heat. Just that right into this bowl.
Let me try.
Look at all that yumminess.
Don't forget your spoons.
Okay.
Don't forget this. Spoons. Important thing ever. Okay.
It's hot. Oh. You know Mommy likes hot foods. Good? Very good. Okay, I say goodbye now?
Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks for watching. So that's dairy-free, vegan mac and cheese made at home. Sorry about the dogs. They're pretty vocal. It's about dinner time for them.